Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a very natural makeup, like everyday no makeup kind of a look that you can do like very quickly in less than like 10-15 minutes, and it will look very natural. It will enhance your features and also you will look very groomed. So let's start the video. So first of all guys, I have already washed my skin and I'm going to do a very easy makeup. Like it's only going to take 10 to 15 minutes, and make sure your hands are super clean because I'm going to blend everything with my hands, as you have seen in all my videos. So first of all, after doing the skin, like I will wash my skin, I'm going to apply a moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer that suits you really well and keeps your skin like hydrated and glowy all day, because skincare is very important if you are doing like makeup. If your skin is good, the makeup is going to look like very nice and very like natural. So yeah, also moisturize your neck as well, never forget your neck, and then you can use a sunscreen also. Now after the moisturizer, I am going to apply a little bit of sunscreen. Since I'm indoors today, so I'm not applying much, so I'm just using a little bit of a sunscreen. But also the sunscreen works as a primer for me, because I think it makes the skin so much like smoother, and it just keeps your skin protected as well. So after I'm done with the sunscreen, now I'm going to use a little bit of foundation. You can also use a CC cream or BB cream, whatever suits you. Also you can skip the foundation as well. You can just use a concealer because it's going to be very lightweight and very like natural. So yeah, just using a little bit to just make it a little bit even toned. So as you can see, our fingers have a little bit of like warmth in that, so that's why the fingers really blend it really nicely, and it just absorbs very quickly into your skin. A tiny amount of foundation. Now I'm going to use the concealer, just where you have like little bit of pigmentation or blemishes. So I'm going to use under my eyes, just only a little bit, just to brighten it up and blend it really nicely. You can also use over your brow bones, because it's going to give it that lift. Since it's going to be very quick, you can skip this part as well. And yeah, like a little bit over here. And that's it guys. Now I have to set it all with the powder, compact powder. You can use a loose powder. So now I'm setting it all with the powder, and because it's very humid in Mumbai, so keep my makeup in place. But don't use too much, because it's going to make your makeup look cakey. So I'm using like very little products, so that it looks very like no makeup look, and it looks very natural. My face is very much like set, and now I'm using the blush, because blush is very important for me, because I like a little bit flush look, and also a little bit over the nose and definitely on your cheeks, and a little bit all over the face, so that it looks like very like not just one place, but it looks like overall natural. So yeah. So yeah, the blush is almost done. A little bit of contouring I will do. Here I'm using the Nykaa eyeshadow palette, and using these two brown shades to contour my face a little bit, since I have like very like round and like not too much of jawline I have, so I need a little bit of contouring. If your face is very contoured, you can skip this part, but I need a little bit of contouring, I think so. So yeah, just contouring with this one. very like less amount of contouring I'm using, and a little bit here over the nose, so that it looks little structured. And I'm going to use the same shade from here over my eyelids to just give it a little bit like eyeshadow effect, and just blending it really quickly, because yes, this is also like you need to be very quick, because if it's like every day, so yeah, you cannot take like too much of time. So this makeup is just about like having fun, and whatever suits your face and whatever colors, you can play around with that. And you can see this is how it looks now, and also a little bit of black over here. This is what I do on my everyday basis when I'm going for castings or meetings, or wherever I'm going to see anyone. So it's a very quick and natural look that I do, and it almost goes with all kinds of outfit. So yeah, this is how. And then I'm going to fill my brows as well with the same kind of shade. So I use like very less brushes. You can see like I need to maybe use more, but I don't know, I feel so comfortable using only, and don't want to use like, I don't use a beauty blender as well, but yeah, maybe later I would implement that in my makeup. So I'm keeping it very natural. You can see this is just that makeup is just for enhancing your features what you already have, just to make it like more groomed and presentable, that's it, and not too much, because you don't need to be like somebody else. So yeah, this is what it is. So as you can see guys, my eyes are almost done, so I'm just going to use this highlighter over my eyelids, so that it makes much more like, it pops out and like it gives a little more brighter appearance. So using over here, so yeah, and also using this golden highlighter over the brow bones, very little, like here, over my cheekbones, and a little bit over here. So as you can see guys, it's like very natural, but it looks so good, like everything is set. Now it's time for the mascara. I love mascara very much, like it makes your eyes look so good, and it just makes it like so much brighter, and it just sets everything. Also on the lower lashes. So as you can see, my eyes are done, like mascara is done. So whatever is now left on this spoolie brush, I'm going to set my eyebrows with that. This is a thing I have seen in some of the videos, and I use it, and definitely it works for me. And this is how the like my eyebrow is set for all the day, and it really works for me. Like I brush all of that, and yeah, it just works for me. One part that I forgot was to also apply the highlighter on the inner corner of our eyes, because it makes such a big difference. Like it just adds that glow and like dewy finish to your skin. And it's almost that I don't skip that part, but today I forgot it. My makeup is all done. It's time for the lipstick. I use two lipsticks. So here is a nude one, which is from Revlon, and then it's a very old lipstick. And also I'm using the Color Essence, this pink shade, and I then just blend it together, and it looks very natural, like almost like a tint. My makeup is done, and it looks so natural, like it feels natural to me. Let me know guys if you liked it, and because I find it very natural, and this is what I everyday do if it's like very busy. And you can also do it for your college, your meetings, if you're going out, and quickly you can do that. And so yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.